Hello, Matthew Palmer here. Welcome to my studio and welcome to the world of Watercolour.tv. Originally launched in 2008, the world's first art streaming service with 15 years, thousands of hours of video, high definition content for you to enjoy. You can go right back in time and enjoy some watercolour tutorials as part of your membership to Watercolour.tv. But it's not just about video tutorials. Watercolour TV is a community. So you get access to the video lessons, you get access to printable projects and worksheets, you get access to exclusive live demonstrations and tutorials with me, Matthew Palmer, and exclusive access to critique sessions, which you can send in your paintings and we'll talk about your watercolours. Of course, all this is optional, but it's all part of your membership. And Watercolour TV being the community what it is, you've got your exclusive watercolour gallery, your art gallery that you can exhibit your paintings in, should you wish. You can talk about them, you can put your contact details in there if you want to as well, and you can share this around the world to your friends, relatives and loved ones. This is your one-stop watercolour shop. You also get discounts on art products and you also get discounts on live watercolour workshops. It's a great place and there's new content added all the time. And as of 2026, Watercolour TV is also going to be having an app so you can access it on your Android and iOS devices, and you can enjoy Watercolour TV from anywhere around the world with regular updates. There's no better place to start your watercolour journey or develop your watercolour journey, because Watercolour.tv is not just for beginners, it's for everybody from intermediates to beginners to advanced painters. There is so much variation in content to enjoy. So don't delay and check out Watercolour.tv today.